Choose this big one first. So I'm gonna open with this scissors.
Who gave that one? It's from Sasa.
Okay, let's see what I have inside here. A mini pants. I always wanted this. Look. Next, I have a skip rope. I'm gonna open this mini pack that I always been wanting. I already have another one, but I don't know where I put it. I think I need to. I got it. Got it out. Ooh, I have these things. How can I get them out? Oh. I did what I serve it. What does this eat? Pick me pops! Lot! Oh, sweet! 3 I got in this bag. I'm gonna open this and my mama opened this for us. Huh. Ow, ow, ow. How am I supposed to open it so much? Bunny! Oh, open her! Open it! I'm gonna open this next. I always wanted to see what's actually got. Wait! A new hair gold. I always wanted this. Look. So I'm gonna open this one first. The LOL surprise. Okay, let's unbox. Oh, it's wrapping. I get the gold one. Wait, I found a message. So it's a book, something like this, and it's a bunny. So, messy bun. I don't know what's messy bun. And I got a gold capsule. You got a Oh, these are Disney Adorables. I see these in videos. Oh, yes. I got another one. So we're gonna open this Disney Adorables with my sister. Sasa, can you open it? No, don't open the bottom. You have to open here at the front door. That's how you open. And you get this. What did you get, Sasa? I got this cute monster and Kristoff. This is the last present. And I'm gonna unbox these toys after I finish doing this. Oh my God, scissors! Look! Here you go, your marker. Oh my, the marker! And what is this? Markers. Thank you!